Let's learn how to convert 9/32 of an inch to millimeters using dimensional analysis. The key to this conversion is knowing that 1 inch equals exactly 25.4 millimeters. This is our conversion factor. We'll use it to set up our dimensional analysis. Let's visualize this on a ruler. Here's a section of a ruler showing inches divided into 30 seconds. 9/32 would be this distance here. Now, let's solve this step by step using dimensional analysis. We'll start with 9/32 of an inch and multiply it by our conversion factor of 25.4 millimeters per inch. Notice how the units of inches cancel out, leaving us with millimeters. Let's solve this in two steps. First, let's divide 9 by 32. 9 divided by 32 equals 0.28125. Now, we multiply 0.28125 by 25.4. This gives us 7.14375 millimeters. For practical purposes, we typically round to 2 or 3 decimal places. So we can say that 9/32 of an inch is approximately 7.14 millimeters. To visualize this conversion, here's the same distance shown on a millimeter ruler. You can see that 9/32 of an inch is just slightly more than 7 millimeters. And that's how we convert 9/32 of an inch to millimeters using dimensional analysis. This method works for any unit conversion,